Hi everyone, I'm Janell Geason, Global Artistic Director for Makeup, and I'm going to show you how to create a perfect, precise lip.
So I've already prepped her lips with our Pure Nourishment lip treatment.
And now I'm going to go in there and prime it
with our Pure Nourishment lip primer.
It just creates more longevity with your lip color. So just go ahead and fill it all in. Moving on to our next step. So now what we're going to do is define the lips
using our Pure Nourishment lip liner.
Starting from those outer edges and working its way up. All right, so continue defining that lip line. Okay, so now what you can do is take your smudger brush and just blend out and diffuse those outer edges. And once you've done that, take your lip liner again and fill it all in. And by filling it in, it creates longevity in your lip color. And once again, if needed, you can just use your smudger brush to diffuse it out. All right, so now we're ready for color. So once again, take your smudger brush.
Start in the center of their lips with our Pure Nourishment lipstick.
And blend your way out. All right, so now to perfect the lip, just take a pointy Q-tip with a tiny bit of concealer on it. Or you could take a little moisturizer on it as well. And just go through and perfect it where needed. And there you have it, a perfect, precise lip in these easy steps.